Black color. Yellow color. Green color. Small letter N for nose. O for orange. P for peacock. Q for queen. R for rainbow. S for snail. T for tiger. U for unicorn. V for violin. W for watermelon. X for xylophone. Y for yogurt. And Z for zebra. Let's paint brown color. N for nest. O for octopus. P for parrot. Q for coil. R for rainbow. S for Santa Claus. T for train. Light green color. U for unicorn. V for vase. W for watermelon. X for xylophone. Y for yolk. And Z for zebra. Let's repeat, learn. N O P Q R S T U V W X Y and Z. I hope you like my video, so please like, share and subscribe. I meet you next video. See you. Bye bye.